Welcome to World Knowledge Channel. The life and career of former President Donald Trump has always been full of thrilling and unexpected situations. After a shocking assassination attempt, many people predicted that he would face great financial and mental difficulties. However, contrary to all predictions, Mr. Trump's assets suddenly skyrocketed by more than $1 billion United States dollars. This not only proves his resilience and ability to overcome adversity but also demonstrates the strength and brand value of one of the most famous figures in the world. Let's explore the dramatic story and the factors that contributed to this incredible increase in assets through the video. Shares of the parent company of the social network Truth Social skyrocketed in the session of July 15, causing the assets of the company's largest shareholder, former U.S. President Donald Trump, to increase sharply. As we know, at the close of trading on July 15, shares of Trump Media and Technology Group, the media company of former U.S. President Donald Trump, increased by 32% to $41 United States dollars. Donald Trump currently owns 65% of Trump Media shares, equivalent to 114.7 million shares. The value of these shares increased from $3.5 billion United States dollars at the end of last week to $4.6 billion United States dollars at present. According to Forbes, the former U.S. president now owns assets worth $6.6 billion United States dollars and has returned to the group of the 500 richest people in the world. Since the beginning of the year, Trump Media shares have increased by 132%. Experts say that the failed assassination attempt last weekend could strengthen Mr. Trump's chances of winning the presidential election in November. The Economist's model predicts that the possibility of Mr. Trump winning the election is up to 75%. Trump Media and Technology Group shares increased sharply after Mr. Trump's failed assassination attempt. In addition, the increase in Trump Media shares yesterday shows that investors are increasingly confident that Trump will win the upcoming election. This is starting to become clear in some areas, Rick Meckler, an analyst at investment firm Cherry Lane Investments, told Reuters. However, he said the impact on the overall market will be more muted. Trump Media was founded in 2021, operating the social network Truth Social founded by Trump. This social network was established right after Mr. Trump was banned from using Twitter in 2022, now X. And Mr. Trump often posts on Truth Social multiple times a day. This social network is expected to have a strong increase in users if Mr. Trump returns to the White House. At the end of March, Trump Media listed on the NASDAQ, USA, through a merger with a company established with special purpose acquisition company Digital World Acquisition Corp. According to Reuters, Forbes, The Economist, and former U.S. President Donald Trump said that the inflation disaster is eroding savings and destroying people's dreams. He said that if he is re-elected, he could pressure the Fed to loosen its policy. We can see that, during the election campaign in Reno, USA, on December 17, former U.S. President Donald Trump commented, "The stock market only makes the rich richer." Donald Trump is considered the person who helped the U.S. stock market flourish in the period 2017 to 2021. During the 2020 presidential campaign, Mr. Trump once declared, "If Mr. Biden wins, you will witness the most terrible collapse of the U.S. stock market." However, Mr. Biden still won that year. Last week, on social network X, the U.S. president mocked Mr. Trump for predicting the U.S. stock market situation incorrectly during his term. This year, President Biden is also using the stock market rally to convince voters to vote for him. Last week, the Dow Jones Index on the U.S. stock market set a new record when it surpassed 37,000 points, surpassing the previous record set in 2022. The market rose after the U.S. Federal Reserve, Fed, kept interest rates unchanged and signaled at least 3 rate cuts next year. Former U.S. President Donald Trump said the stock market only makes the rich richer. Donald Trump is currently leading the race to find the Republican presidential candidate, despite being entangled in a series of legal troubles. Yesterday, he criticized Mr. Biden for allowing prices in the U.S. to rise. Biden's inflationary disaster is eating away at people's savings and destroying their dreams, he said. And U.S. inflation has cooled in recent months, wages have increased and unemployment is low. The U.S. Consumer Price Index, CPI, rose just 3.1% in November, down significantly from a year earlier. In September, as we learned in an interview on NBC, Mr. Trump also criticized current U.S. interest rates. Interest rates are too high. People can't buy houses. They can't do anything, he said. The former U.S. president said that if re-elected, he could pressure Fed Chairman Jerome Powell to ease monetary policy. A survey last month by the New York Times and Siena College found that voters trust Trump more on the economy than Biden. The assassination attempt did not weaken but, on the contrary, promoted a significant increase in Donald Trump's assets. This event not only reflects his resilience but also emphasizes the influence and brand value he has built over the years. The increase in assets of more than $1 billion after this incident is a clear testament to Trump's economic strength and shrewd business strategy. This continues to affirm his position not only in the political field but also in the global financial world. If you find the video useful, please share it with more people and subscribe to the channel. Like, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and see you in the next video.